Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful reviews. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using Liberty Tax software. Liberty Tax software offers a user-friendly and dependable platform for tax preparation, catering to individuals, families, and small business owners seeking a convenient online filing solution. Renowned for its blend of simplicity and professional-level features, Liberty Tax distinguishes itself by providing easy-to-navigate software coupled with access to live tax experts. Whether you're a novice filer or managing more complex tax scenarios, like self-employment income or investment earnings, Liberty Tax equips you with the tools and support necessary to file with confidence. A key strength of the software is its step-by-step guided tax preparation process, which seamlessly guides you through inputting your income, deductions, and credits. The software comprehensively supports all major IRS forms and schedules, making it suitable for a broad spectrum of taxpayers. Furthermore, Liberty Tax offers an accuracy guarantee, ensuring your return is free from errors and that you receive the largest possible refund. For users who prefer a blended approach, Liberty Tax provides the unique flexibility of switching to in-person support at one of their brick-and-mortar locations. This option grants you access to professional guidance whenever needed. Another valuable feature is the platform's integrated deduction finder, designed to uncover often overlooked tax savings opportunities. Moreover, the software facilitates prior year import capabilities, allowing you to effortlessly transfer data from previous tax filings, thus saving time and minimizing errors. For added peace of mind, Liberty Tax offers optional audit assistance, a valuable resource for taxpayers concerned about potential IRS inquiries. While the pricing of Liberty Tax software might be slightly higher than some competitors, the inclusion of live expert support and the option to transition to in-person assistance make it a compelling choice. It's particularly well-suited for users who prioritize flexibility and personalized support, especially those with more complex returns or those who feel less confident navigating the intricacies of tax preparation independently. In summary, Liberty Tax software effectively merges the convenience of online tax filing with readily available professional support, presenting a well-rounded solution for a diverse range of tax needs. Click the links in the description to explore Liberty Tax further and determine if it's the right choice for you.